So in today's video, I'll talk about how we can calculate the call capacity with the help of the components we have given. It's your head count, shrinkage, occupancy, AHT. So now let's start. How we can calculate the call capacity. First of all, we need to understand that what is call capacity. Call capacity means that how many calls can be answered with the components we have, like your head count, shrinkage, occupancy, and the AHT, against the handle call. The handle calls are the calls which have been handled by the agents or by the call center. And the call capacity is the maximum call volume we can have or the call center can have with all these available components. So now let's see how we can calculate the call capacity here. I have taken interval 7, 7:38, 8:39. So I have taken the gap of 30 minutes. So that would be 1800 seconds. Head count, shrinkage, occupancy, HT. So to calculate the call capacity, we know that we have the head count is 50 multiplied by interval available time. So we have interval of 30 minutes. So that would be equivalent to 1800 seconds. Then multiplied by your shrinkage. That would be 1 minus 18%, bracket close, multiplied by your occupancy, divided by your AHT. So these are the components we have. Now once I just hit the enter, let's see what kind of value we have. Now we can see that the call capacity is approximately 148 calls can be answered in this head count of 50. So you can just simply go through this formula what I have just put it down here to get to know that what kind of call capacity we can have. In case if you have any kind of questions, you can just let me know in the comment section.